Hey everybody, John Troutman here, Real Estate Knowledge Institute. I wanted to let you know of a very special event we have coming up in Scottsdale, November 15th, 16th, and 17th. It's going to be a phenomenal event that you're going to be able to learn and network from incredible investors from all over the country. So what we're going to be going through is, you've always heard of zero down real estate. Nobody really shows you the best way to do it. My mentor is going to be there teaching you guys how to do syndication. You're going to learn to be able to do it whether it's on residential. I personally use it a lot on commercial. You're going to be able to learn a lot about commercial real estate investing, why you should be investing in commercial real estate, different ways to, but more importantly, raising the capital on those. So you're going to learn how to syndicate that, basically raising the capital without you putting any money into it and retaining ownership in that building, okay, or in those assets that you choose. The other thing is we're going to show you how to raise and be your own bank. You're going to learn that method as well. You're also going to learn market cycles. So if you're not aware of, we're in the middle of a cycle. We're actually transitioning into a new cycle in the market. A lot of people don't want to talk about it. We want to educate you so you do not get, taken out, if you will, by the transition. A lot of people will. We want to make sure that you're able to take full advantage of the market cycle and transition into it. So anyways, you guys, you're going to be able to network as well with phenomenal investors. I want to make sure that you guys get registered. It is a limited amount of seating, so make sure you register at REKI Seminars today, rekiseminars.com. Go ahead, check it out. Hope to see you guys there.